Once in an era comes a brand familiar with an organization's want to break its own shell and grow forward. A brand that realizes what it takes for a firm to expand its goals and decide that it wants to lead the industry. A brand that has witnessed the best companies' seeds grow into lush trees and bear the fruits of planning and efforts. With more than 15 years of experience in the events industry, our company has been able to create the perfect synergy with the biggest names of industries like paint, FMCG, hospitality, automobile, banking, telecommunication and more. A brand familiar with the struggle of breaking barriers to reach the pinnacle of success. A brand that resonates the dreams of each company it associates with and reflects the efforts in its working. A brand made for you. Mascot Events 360-degree Solutions Experiential Marketing Company. Mascot Events has become the true mascot for companies wanting an experience beyond the ordinary. With every feather added to our diverse portfolio, we have been able to build a strong, Herculean network across the nation, supporting any event or launch that deserves the attention of the mass. We can proudly say that on-field advertising and events have been revolutionized because of our creativity in activities. We take immense pleasure in being the pioneer in experiential marketing, connecting to each consumer by engaging them in a unique experience at a level beyond being a seller. Our services range from organizing inaugurations, trainings, CSR activities for the corporate sector, road shows, branding activities for the product sector, to weddings and parties for families, and performances and promotions by celebrities. A small beginning in 2002 with just one office and a handful of employees, Mascot Events was founded by Mr. Maulik Rathore. In 2010, his younger brother Mayank Rathore joined him. And together, they nurtured the company into the national brand that it is today. At present, Mascot Events has expanded to 12 more cities with more than 80 employees joining the family, creating a pan-India network. It is because of the efforts and efficiency of each employee, along with the dedication and creativity of its founders, that the firm has consistently grown to receive awards and recognitions for being the best in the use of technology, organizing corporate events, and exceptional in conducting uncommon yet up-to-date BTL advertising activities. It is because of Mascot's unsurpassed blend of planning and efforts that it assisted the Honorable Chief Minister's government, other ministries and government organizations in arranging the events required. Mascot Events has adopted a vision that redefines the standards of excellence in the events industry. Our objective extends beyond organizing and arranging an event for our client to giving an experience that not only achieves the targets set, but also elevates the brand holistically. We deliver with empathy, customer delight, adaptability, and consistency. With us, you experience versatility and a sense of being complete. We are your mascot.